will begin again. Our second contestant is from Barangay Balao. The dance group in Barangay Balao. Our second dancer is two-time champion at the 1998 and 1999 hip-hop dance competition. Is also a bronze champion of the hip-hop dance grades at MSU IIT Iligan City. Alright, our second contestant is also a champion in the year 1998 and 2001 Sayaw Popular Dance Contest at Lugay, Misamis Oriental, and a former backup dancer at ABS-CBN